Well, howdy folks, it's Richard again from Woodridge Ford. On the new car end, we have the employee pricing going on. Let me show you what's going on here at the used car section. Ian, what are you doing?
I'm looking at this 2019 Chevy Malibu that's only $137 bi-weekly. Hey Richard, I want you to look at this.
You know what, this is great, but let me show you something. 2005 Ford 500 cruising style for only $6,000 plus tax. So hard to find good health. Where is Ian?
Look at all these trucks.
That's right, we have a bunch of trucks, a bunch of SUVs, a bunch of cargo vans, cars, everything you can imagine. We have 65 vehicles on the lot here at Woodridge Ford and access to 550 different makes and models. You think of it, I most likely have it. Come down here at Woodridge Ford, where Calgary comes for pre-owned vehicles.
Cargo vans! And luxury SUVs.